Welcome to the Top 10 YouTube channel. Today, we're taking you on a ride through the top 5 most expensive cars in the world, and we're counting them down in reverse order. Why? Because you'll want to stick around for number 1, a car that costs more than a private jet and is built for royalty. Let's begin the countdown. Buckle up, it's going to be wild. Number 5, Mercedes-Maybach GLS. Kicking off our list is a car that looks like it came straight out of a superhero movie, the Mercedes-Maybach GLS, priced at around $8 million. The GLS is a one-of-a-kind luxury performance coupe that was originally created in 2005 as a concept for tire testing, but it didn't stay a test mule for long. It became an automotive icon with a 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 engine pumping out 690 horsepower. It reaches a top speed of 350 kilometers per hour, 217 miles per hour. Incredible for such a large luxury coupe. But it's the design that steals the show. Long, low, and imposing. The GLS combines classic Maybach luxury with raw presence. Inside, it's decked out with high-end leather, carbon fiber, and a private lounge-style interior. Only one exists, and it's been featured in music videos and pop culture. Rumor has it that rapper Birdman owned it at one point. This isn't just a car, it's a power statement. Number 3, Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. At number 3 is a truly emotional machine, the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, with a price tag of $17.5 million. This is not just the most expensive Pagani, it's one of the rarest supercars on Earth. Only 3 units were ever built, and one of them belongs to Horacio Pagani himself. The HP Barchetta is ruthless, wild, and artistic. It features exposed rear wheels, custom-forged wheels, a shortened windshield, and a 7.3-liter, naturally aspirated V12 engine producing 789 horsepower. What sets Pagani apart is attention to detail. From hand-machined titanium bolts to leather finishes that look like they belong in a museum, everything is custom-made, down to the last stitch. This isn't a car you drive daily. It's a celebration of design, engineering, and emotion, of fitting send-off for the iconic Zonda line. Number 2, Bugatti La Voiture Noire. At number 2, we have a mysterious, dark beauty, the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, the black car. This $18.7 million hypercar is one of one, handcrafted to pay tribute to the legendary Type 57S C Atlantic, one of the rarest classics ever made. It's powered by the legendary 8.0-liter W16 quad-turbo engine producing 1,479 horsepower, with acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.4 seconds. But this isn't just about power, it's about presence. Its sleek, sculpted carbon fiber body has no visible seams, with 6 rear exhausts, flowing lines, and a minimalist light bar across the rear. This car is an art piece on wheels. Bugatti confirmed only 1 unit was ever built and sold to a private collector, possibly a royal or celebrity. This is exclusivity at a level that even billionaires struggle to reach. Number 1, Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. Finally, at number 1, the undisputed champion of luxury and craftsmanship, the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. With a mind-blowing price of $28 million, the Boat Tail isn't just a car. It's a work of rolling art, custom-built from scratch for only 3 clients in the world, inspired by classic yachts. Its rear deck is handcrafted using rare woods, brushed metal, and butterfly opening panels that reveal a luxury hosting suite, complete with a champagne fridge, parasol, and custom dining sets. It's powered by a 6.75-liter V12 engine. But this car isn't about speed, it's about the lifestyle. The details are truly next level. Custom timepieces, personalized paint finishes, and interior themes designed around the owner's personal story. Every boat tail takes years to design and build. It's the purest expression of wealth, taste, and individuality on four wheels. And there you have it, the 5 most expensive cars in the world. Each one rarer, more powerful, and more luxurious than the last. Which one stole your heart? Let us know in the comments below, and if you could pick just one, which would it be? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exotic car content, only on the Top 10 YouTube channel.